In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads to Wix. We'll start right inside your Google Ads account. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google profile that owns the ad account you want to connect. From the overview dashboard, give the page a second to fully load so all the tools are available. This ensures the menus you need are visible and responsive. On the left sidey bar, click Tools. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a toolbox icon, but you're looking for the section that houses settings and utilities. If your interface looks slightly different, that's normal. Google occasionally updates labels and placement, but the option will still be accessible from your main navigation. Next, open Data Manager. This is the area where Google Ads organizes your data sources and product links. Think of it as your control center for integrations, measurement, and connections. Once you're there, scroll down a bit to reveal more connection options. Click See All so you can browse the full library of available integrations. Use the search bar at the top of that list and type Wix. Keep it lowercase or uppercase, either works, but make sure it's spelled correctly so the integration appears right away. You should see the Wix option show up as a selectable card. Click on Wix to open the connection details page and review the short description so you're confident you're linking the right service. Now click Authorize. This begins the secure handshake between Google Ads and Wix. A new tab or pop-up may appear asking you to grant permissions. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the authorization window can open. Follow the prompts to confirm access. Don't close any windows until the process completes. Doing so can interrupt the connection and force you to start over. Once authorization is granted, you'll be returned to Google Ads, and the connection will begin establishing in the background. You may see a confirmation message or a connected status appear in Data Manager. If it doesn't show up immediately, give it a minute and refresh. These links can take a short time to finalize. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see Tools on the left, look for a Tools and Settings option in your top navigation. It leads to the same place. If Wix doesn't appear in search, clear any filters and try typing the full name again. And if the Authorize button is disabled, you likely need the right permissions in your Google Ads account. That's it. You've connected Google Ads to Wix, paving the way for smoother tracking and smarter optimization.